everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. And today I am doing a collaboration with Niki D Art. I'm so excited to do a collab with her. She's an artist from Australia, so if you don't know who she is, please go check her out, which I'm sure everybody does know who she is because she's amazing. I will put a link to her channel in the description, so she's going before me. We are doing, basically we chose colors. We can use any size canvas. We're using white for the base. We chose blue, gold, aqua, and magenta. And then white for the base. But anyway, so please go and check her channel out because her collab out with me. I'm so excited that she agreed to do a collab with me. I love her art. I follow her. I watch her videos. She's really amazing. So please go and check her out. And thank you, Niki, for doing a collab with me. I appreciate all your help, all your wonderful advice to help with my channel. I'm definitely going to take your advice and work on some things. So I appreciate you. So with that being said, I'm going to get my base put down here. Oh, let me show you my colors. So I'm using white for my base. 24 karat gold from Decoart, of course. For the magenta, I'm using SoHo's Magenta. For my aqua, I'm using Lofts Aqua Green. The blue, I'm using Blinkrylic's Florescent Blue. And so we just have those 4 colors. So yeah, so let me put the white down. I probably have a ton of air bubbles in here. I mixed it up earlier today. I see a big goop. Ugh, that's so gross. I do thank everybody for watching. I hope you will enjoy my video, and then you'll go and check out Niki if you haven't already. Like I said, she's going before me. This was kind of fun because anybody who's done a collab with me will know that I'm not good at the time zone thing. And so basically when Niki's doing this, it's like, if I understand right, it's like 10 in the morning on Sunday. So yeah. Try to get that white down there to that corner. Come on. Alright, I'm going to wipe my hands off here. And I'm going to do some smearing with for my smear color. I am using Amsterdam's titanium white. All my paints are mixed with Floetrol, Liquitex gloss pouring medium, and a little bit of water if needed. Make sure you don't got no air bubbles in here. mixed it earlier today, but it sat for a few hours, so actually it doesn't look too terribly bad right now. Alright, so I think I will put down the blue. Let's see. So, I don't know. I'm just going to kind of wiggle it back and forth. I don't really want to change the way it looks anyway, per se. But maybe if I can open up a little bit more of those cells, that'd be cool. I mean, it's not going to... I just had to work on this and this here, but this I love. This is beautiful. All right. Alright, so I'm going to bring it down for a close-up. I think it looks pretty cool. It's funky, different. I like it. These colors are amazing. Look at all that shimmer. Beautiful colors. Amazing cells, and it looks awesome. I'm really excited about this one. This one turned out pretty cool. But I hope everybody enjoyed my video, and you'll like and subscribe and share all that fun stuff. And please go check out Niki D Art. If you have not watched her video yet, please do. Yeah. But I do thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, thanks for joining in today. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate y'all so much. Yeah. Yeah. But thanks, Niki, for doing the collab with me. I appreciate it. I can't tell you enough how much I appreciated it, and your amazing advice. I appreciate you. I can say appreciate enough. But thanks again, everybody, for watching. I hope everybody is being healthy and safe from COVID. Just healthy in general. And yeah. Have a good day. Have a good evening. And keep being creative. Bye.